Here we can see incorrect handling of an agrochemical container by people who still do not know about the MTC system. Could, somewhere in a remote banana plantation, the scene portrayed by actors here still exist? Of course, it's always other people who care so little about their own personal safety and that of the environment. No-use containers are so clean that they can be so carelessly discarded. There is nothing to be said against hygiene and cleanliness. But here, they are washing clothes in a container that previously held pesticides.
¿Qué? María.
¿Cómo? ¿Cómo que si esta planta se queda? Esta plantita... Oye, no, pues, no, papá. Esa planta me la vuelvo al tiro.
The recycling of used containers is a sound practice, but this should be done in a professional manner. Our four-legged friend here has the right opinion about the incorrect use of empty pesticide containers as plant pots. Bananas on their way to North America, Japan and Europe. Bananas are one of the most important fruits exported from tropical countries. However, good harvests are only possible if the plantations are not attacked by pests and diseases. The aerial spraying of banana plants against fungal disease is an essential practice in order to produce healthy fruit in humid tropical climates. Black Sigatoka disease is a serious fungal disease that must be efficiently controlled. If Black Sigatoka disease were not controlled, then it would not be possible to provide enough bananas to export worldwide. The agricultural station in Limburgerhof is the center of investigation for BASF agrochemicals. In order to develop an effective fungicide, it is necessary to test thousands of chemical substances before the best product can be selected. The close interchange of ideas between experts from the banana industry and BASF made possible the discovery of a fungicide to help control Black Sigatoka. Calixine is that fungicide and has proved itself over many years in practice to be an excellent product in the effort to combat Black Sigatoka. Chemistry is the science of transforming substances and demands enormous expertise in order to control the synthesis of highly reactive materials in closed systems and then expand the process to industrial production. BASF is based in Ludwigshafen alongside the River Rhine. With over 350 production units, it has grown during a period of 130 years to become the largest center of chemical production in the world. Safety and environmental aspects must be considered at the very earliest stages in the development of a new agrochemical product. Every scientific innovation must also be socially, ecologically, and economically responsible. Over 100,000 employees worldwide identify themselves with the principle that the approximately 8,000 BASF products are safe to manufacture, safe to use, and also safe to dispose of. This experience and sense of responsibility formed the basis for the development of the multi-trip container system for Calixene. This system of returnable and refillable containers provides a safer handling of the product, which is advantageous to both the user and the environment. Now our actor Eduardo will assume the role of a user, and he will demonstrate to you step by step how the completely closed measuring and transfer system works. First, he breaks the lead security seal, which is located over the outlet of the container. The coupling device at the end of the extraction hose is disconnected from the rinsing system and then placed onto the outlet of the Calixene container. The lever remains in the upward position. Now the blue air inlet valve lever is closed by moving it downwards, and the red control of the three-way valve is turned to point upwards in the open to filled position. The yellow control on the inlet valve to the measuring cylinder is turned to the open position, and the coupling device lever is pressed downwards into the open position. Calixene now flows into the measuring cylinder, and Eduardo observes the graduated window until the level reaches the desired volume. In this case, 20 liters. Close the yellow control and raise the coupling device lever. Open the blue lever and turn the red lever downwards to the open to empty position. Now Calixene flows to the mixing tank. Eduardo is watching the Calixene level through the graduated window. When the measuring cylinder is empty, turn the red control to the horizontal position. A direct transfer from the Calixene container to the mixing tank is also possible. Close the blue lever. Turn the red control to the open to empty position. Open the yellow control and then press down the coupling device lever. Calixene now flows to the mixing tank. After emptying the container, raise the coupling device lever, open the blue lever upwards, and close the yellow and red controls. The measuring and transfer system is a clean and modern solution for the user and the environment. To keep the system clean, it must be rinsed after each day's use. Begin with the rinsing of the extraction hose. Move the blue lever into the horizontal position, open the yellow control and turn the red control to the downwards position. Take the coupling device off the Calixene container and connect it to the rinsing outlet. Pressing down the coupling device lever allows fresh water to flow through the extraction hose direct to the mixing tank. This should continue for about 15 seconds before raising the coupling device lever to stop the flow of water. Now let's see how to clean the measuring cylinder. To do this, close the yellow control and open the black lever. The separate pipe system allows water to flow into and wash the measuring cylinder. This washing process should last about 60 seconds. Then open the blue lever, close the black lever, and turn the red control to the horizontal closed position. The levers and controls are now in the correct positions, ready for the start of the next mixing procedure. The introduction of the Calixene MTC system by BASF in cooperation with the banana industry provides a landmark for increased safety and protection of the environment. 3 closed systems of product movement guarantee a network of safety over both long and short distances. Local. The new extraction and measuring equipment guarantees a closed system where the Calixene flows directly into the mixing tank. The operator does not come at any time into contact with the product. Continental. Here also is a closed system between the product distribution point and the customer. The empty containers are returned to the distribution point where they are refilled again. Global. Yet another closed system where 20,000-liter containers of Calixene circulate between the BASF factory in Ludwigshafen and the distribution points around the world. These 3 closed systems of product movement combine to eliminate health risks to the operator, save natural resources, and provide increased protection to the environment.